Alright, today I got the thumb that comes with the machine on, and it was kind of tricky to figure it out. But basically, your thumb is going to be like this. So this bottom hole, for some reason, that bolt was barely able to get through, so I had to grind some of the bolt down, this bolt here at the bottom, and then the other bolt just went right through, no problem, because basically this end bounced to here, and then this hole comes up to here, and that's what keeps it in the upright position. So that is how you put it on there. So if you want to take a look at that and see, there's two holes. The end goes to that upper hole, and the middle piece goes to that section at the bottom. And there's no bracket in there. It's just open hole. This is what holds it. And so I'm going to try it out and see. It should be pretty strong. I mean, this is pretty stout. So I've got a bunch of like metal and stuff I want to just kind of grab and pick up. So I'm going to try that here in just a minute, but I just wanted to show you all, if you have one of these, it's got the two eyelets on it. That's how it bolts up. The end up here, and then that hole that's in the center goes here. Now this piece, I don't know what that's for, because this won't fit anything in here. This hole right here. Maybe it's for a different model or something. And I thought this is supposed to have like a bar coming from here to the eyelets up here. But that bar is just hollow all the way through, so that wouldn't hold it. So this is the only way to hook it up. So that way you have, pinching from the top instead of, curling the bucket up to grab something. You could just kind of grab it with that. So I'm going to try it out and see how that goes. So if anybody needs it, there it is. That's how you bolt it up. Well, it works. Only thing, it's angled too far down. It needs to be out. Instead of it like this. Let's see if I can. Instead of it being like this, it needs to be more like this, because this end keeps digging in the ground. So you gotta get it higher, and this thing doesn't have that reach. But it's doing it. It's picking up stuff. I just wish this thing was angled, like I said, more maybe parallel with the beam. So maybe something like that instead of that. But it works. I picked up a bunch of stuff here. I got a bunch of metal and junk in here. So yeah, it's doing it. It's pretty stout. It's holding on really good. So yeah, there you go. It works. Like I said, it just needs to be up instead of this weird angle, because you got to come in from the top to pick it up. And this thing doesn't have a lot of height to pick up stuff, so you have to kind of nudge it and grab it, nudge it, grab it, kind of thing. But hey, it works. There you go. Hope y'all enjoy, and have a good one.